the finance UI जो रहेगा, ideally the situation should be कि एक for a finance professional, for them they should open up Greenloom AI. It should look like they are in a finance tool, they are not in some generic AI tool. It should look like native to what they work. Let's say उन्होंने बोला कि इस महीने का GST फाइल कर दो, ठीक है? They should not. So the feeling is कि as a finance person मुझे एक चेकलिस्ट मिलनी चाहिए ऑनबोर्डिंग की, नॉट जस्ट द ऑनबोर्डिंग चेकलिस्ट ऑफ द ऐप, द ऑनबोर्डिंग चेकलिस्ट ऑफ bringing my data into Greenloom AI, configuring it as per my, for example, let me give you an example. So as a private limited company, compliances बहुत अलग होते हैं as compared to an LLP or a partnership firm, right? Even in terms of taxes and even in terms of the how taxes are filed, which forms are filed, okay. And also ये भी डिपेंड करता है कि आपने किस स्कीम में ऑप्ट किया है फॉर जीएसटी के दो स्कीम है, रेगुलर कॉम्पोजिशन, okay. So that depends on what you have opted for and what your annual turnover is. So उसके हिसाब से decide होता है whether you are going to do quarterly filing or monthly filing, right? So all of those decisions make ifs and buts की वजह से you get your outcomes or what are the checklist जो build होती है, that is based on your situation. तो आज हम कहीं पे भी ये नहीं ले रहे, ये इनपुट नहीं ले रहे कि आप कौन सी कंपनी, आर यू प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, आर यू एन एलएलपी, ये इंडिया की बात कर रहा हूँ. बट इफ यू गो टू साउदी और द यूएस हैज अ पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म, they have LLCs, they have incorporations, they have S corps, C corp and S corps. So the IRS forms that an S corp has to file and the taxation that an S corp has, that is very different from a C corp. Okay, and an LLC does not have taxes; it's a pass-through entity in the US taxes, and the owners have to file their taxes because the profit from the LLC is passed through to the owners, and they have to file their K1s. So all of these things are very different from jurisdiction to jurisdiction and entity to entity, then turnover to turnover. Right? All of these things are different. Now in Saudi there are two types of filing. Saudi का बहुत ही ज़्यादा simple है. It is not as complicated as the US or India. Saudi का ऐसा है कि if you have less than 10 million riyal in annual turnover, then you do not have to do audits. You do not have to do. You do not have to file the major filing. You can do a smaller version of the filing. The same in India also. जो annual filings होते हैं, they are also similar. जो छोटे companies है versus बड़ी companies है, there is a difference. Now, why did I explain all of this? For you to understand, there are three dimensions to this. So one is your jurisdiction. The second is the type of entity, and the third is your turnover, right? So in three dimensions ke around, there will be a lot of variables that you will need to take into account and then give the user कि okay, इसके हिसाब से अभी आप ये चीजें आपको करनी पड़ेंगी. This month you have to do this, this quarter you have to do this, and this year, end of the year, you have to do all of these things, right? So ये अगर चीजें अगर built in होगी Greenloom AI में, then the user feels like okay, this is making my job easy. This is not just an AI tool. This is not just a generic AI tool. जो कुछ भी dashboard बना के देना है. No, it is building something specific to me, what I want, right? तो अभी from a product, this is from a user experience approach and let's say marketing approach कि हम क्या user को बेच रहे हैं, क्या ये रहेगा. From a product approach, this might be like अरे इतना सारा हम क्या कहाँ से build करेंगे? So what we will do is we will start with 1 or 2 jurisdictions, ठीक है? उस jurisdiction के in detail जितने भी entity types है, जितने भी dimensions है, we will map them out और ये manually हमको करना पड़ेगा. Okay? We can build a plan for this one by one और फिर हम multiple jurisdiction support करना शुरू करेंगे जहाँ जहाँ पे marketing thinks okay, this is a good market for us, then we will enter those. Right now what is happening is there's a small gap between what we are claiming and what we want to achieve. ठीक है प्रोडक्ट का. एंड ऐसा नहीं कैपेबिलिटी में गैप है, इट्स अ गैप इन यूजर एक्सपीरियंस. कैपेबिलिटी सारी है, वी कैन डू जीएसटी फाइलिंग, वी कैन डू आईटीआर फाइलिंग, वी कैन बेसिकली बिल्ड ये क्या होता है अपना एक्सपेंस एंड पीएनएल जो रिपोर्ट्स होते हैं, पीएनएल रिपोर्ट हुआ या एनुअल रिपोर्ट हुआ, ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स, यस बैलेंस शीट, दैट वाज द वर्ड आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर, बैलेंस शीट्स, पीएनएल फाइल्स, ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स वी कैन build out of Greenloom. But what is lacking is the user experience. Ab, today, if I'm let's say March end hua hai, now we are looking at closing our books for the previous financial year. What do I do generally? मैं डाउनलोड करूंगा मेरा डेटा जोहो बुक से, बैंक अकाउंट स्टेटमेंट उठाऊंगा, आई विल रिकंसाइल देम, आई विल चेक कि इफ इज देयर एनी ट्रांजैक्शन दैट आई मेड जो बैंक स्टेटमेंट में नहीं है, बुक्स मैच हो रही है कि नहीं हो रहे. all of those things. Then how much then we also want analytics on, okay, how much did we spend on one category, or how much did we spend with a specific vendor, rent पे कितना हमारा expense किया है this year. Then once we have that data, you could make strategic decisions on, okay, अगर हम इतना पूरे साल में rent पे pay कर रहे हैं, can we do something different? और okay, software में AI पे हमने इतना spend किया है, can we do something differently? All of those decisions only come in once we have good data, good analytics, right? So how can we make this process simpler? जहाँ पे all of this already happens, and whenever a user wants this on the fly, it is available, right? We have to make that so easy. It's a no-brainer to use this tool for finance, right? It should become that easy to use. Okay, for finance, we need some kind of demo जो marketing team independently own कर सके. They should be able to make changes to that demo on their own without your help. ठीक है? So brainstorm on this. कैसे हम it has to be blindfolded, of course, because they should be able to prompt something and वो change नहीं होना चाहिए. Cloud दे देंगे, but yeah, अगर आप हमने कुछ Next.js में इस पे बनाया है, तो that's not going to work out. It has to be very minimal, like runnable on their PCs without downloading some external बहुत ज़्यादा dependencies. They will of course download React or whatever. ठीक है? Has to be lightweight. So best case scenario is HTML file. Worst case scenario is an XJS. Okay. So between these, let's figure out कि सबसे ज्यादा वैल्यू लीस्ट एफर्ट कहाँ पे है. अगर एक HTML फाइल बन जाती है, they can just prompt Claude and it's just a file, open in the browser and use it. Best case, they don't have to download anything. They can own that HTML file for each jurisdiction का demo. ठीक है? So it can be and हाँ, to the question कि AI कैसे दिखाएंगे उसमें, AI features कैसे दिखाएंगे? We don't need to connect it with an AI. Or what we could do potentially is वो HTML फाइल can Claude local Claude CLI, ठीक है, वहां से भी इनपुट आउटपुट कर सकते हैं. That could be another thing to figure out. But end goal ये है कि marketing needs to own their demo. It should not be dependent on product. ठीक है.